Hey, Jakob Hartman, and this is my 2022 bike check. So this is a NS Define 170, so it's got 170 travel on the back, 190 on the front. Rockin' Hope brakes and dinner plate 230 rotors front and back. It's set up single speed with the SB1 tensioner. Rockin' 27.5 wheels front and back. Got tubes in them, both front and back. Tannis armor on the rear. I9 wheels, get that buzz going. They sound pretty sick. Little beer koozie says sorry for partying. We're not sorry for partying, but the bike says so. Hope pedals, air suspension front and back. Full title setups. I'm rocking Sensus grips, title bar, title stem, and title saddle. Yeah, thing's pretty wicked, pretty light. Set up for spins, set up for fun. I think that's pretty much all the major points. It's got a bunch of oil slick bolts, it's got some semi-slick tires, and it's totally sick.